Okay, today's November 27, 2024. I'll be going over the long I took on NQ, why I took it, the conditions I wanted to see, my daily bias. So coming into the day, I was bearish because of the daily profile. I was looking at a London reversal, New York continuation, because London tapped into this higher time frame PD array, this 1 hour bearish for value gap sponsoring this move. So I want to see a continuation lower to previous day's low. For the past week or so, right, it's just really been correct draw. But no entries there because I don't trade before news, and today was 10 a.m. news, so I let 10 a.m. news play out, and no pullback. We just dumped all the way to the draw. So as soon as we swept previous day's lows, which we did here, I didn't want to see any lower than previous day's lows. After we swept previous day's lows, I wanted to see a rebalance of price. All right, this big dump. So we had an unfilled 15 that were also equal highs, another set of unfilled 15, and I wanted equilibrium of this leg down that we had here. Let me show you that here. I wanted equilibrium of this leg down that we had here. So those were my buy side targets here. We got in on this 3-minute inversion here on the retest of it because it was a high close. So we got in off the retest, stops at the low, about almost a 1 to 2 here, and break even. And it was coming near the end of my trading session. I only trade to 11 here. So wanted to protect my position as best as possible. I was going to break even at the unfilled 15 equal highs, and then risk is off and then let the trade ride here. But it ended up not hitting the 15-minute. We moved lower, hitting my stop here. And I do have the live trade of it, of course, which I will show you now. Monday, again, only will be trading Monday and Wednesday. I will not be trading Thursday or Friday because Thanksgiving and then the half day here. So it's just been a rough couple like this week and last week, just price action. I'm just waiting for price action to clean up so I can really start in all these trades here. But we just got to do the best we can with what we're given. And I'll show you the live trade here now. And I also took in an evaluation trade in the PM, which I'll show you after the live trade. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'll let you know. All right, in there, about like 206 here. So I'm in 5 micros here. Coming into the PM, since we already traded in the AM, I only take 1 trade a day again. So I happen to be a loss here, but I do have an evaluation account that I decided to trade in the PM, and I would only take something that was super textbook here. And this was right time aligned here, 3 p.m. open high, taking out buy side liquidity, triple equal highs, and an hourly intermediate term high. We created an SMT with ES, and we had a 5-minute inversion here, 5-minute inversion to both sets of these equal lows. And I also wanted equilibrium of this big pump that we had, but equilibrium would be more of an optimistic TP, and obviously it's 352. We were coming near the end of the day. And equal lows was a 1 to 2 RR, so full TP hit there. So super excited about that. And I did not get the live trade for that, but I hope you liked the video and enjoy.